Good morning, this is Ralph, and in this video I'm going to demonstrate how easy it can be to make a copy of a lead capture page using the PowerLead system and then edit that page to, basically make it any way you would like it to be. Now, first of all, before you can edit a lead capture page or any page on the PowerLead system, you first have to make a copy of that page, and then you can go ahead and make edits of that copy. So what I'm going to do is go up here to Websites, and then go down here under Web Pages, and I'm going to click on this option, Copy Web Pages. Now, what I want to do is I want to go ahead and update one of my main sales funnels. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to make a copy of this one right here, SBA lead capture page, name and email, and I'm going to show you what that looks like. This is a web page that I've been using, a lead capture page that I've been using for a few months now, and I'm not entirely happy with this line here, amazing money getting secret. Next page reveals, I like that. Seven-figure earner, that's true. This is Jeff Mills. He's a seven-figure earner in the industry, a big figure in the PowerLead system, and this video here shows Jeff Mills having a little chat with Neil Guess. Neil Guess is the creator of the PowerLead system. Both are big earners in this industry, and so I'm going to keep that. It's just this wording up here that I'm not too happy with that I'm going to change. So now, in order to make that change, what I'm going to do is just go back. I've got this clicked already. Copy this page. And then I'm going to go down all the way to the bottom and just click on the option down below. Make me a copy. Going to go ahead and make a copy. And now, title of this page to show here in this administrative area. What I'm going to do is so I can find this more easily, I'm going to change this name to Ralph 2018 Update. And that way, that will be a title that I can find when I look under my copied web pages. That will show up a little bit more easily, and I'll know what I'm dealing with. Title of this web page to show to the web page visitors. Not Life Abundance Radio. That was another project I was working on. This one will just show Ralph 2018. And of course, I can go back and edit any of this later if I choose to. Now, step 2 is select a domain to use with this web page. Since I am updating a web page that is already active, and I don't want to mess with it while it's active, I'm not going to assign a domain to this web page right now. I can go back, and after I'm done making my edits, I can go ahead and assign it a domain, and this is the one it's going to be, Ralph2018.com. But I don't want to mess with that right now because I've got traffic flowing into that funnel already, and I don't want to have it offline for any length of time while I'm making a demonstration video. So I'm just going to leave that clicked right there. Do not assign a domain at this time. But now I can come back and edit that, and I can even click this option, and that is to give this new web page its very own subdomain based on my main domain. Like I could click down here, create a subdomain like, ABC, whatever, and then click that in and create a subdomain. But I don't want to do that. What I want to do is go back to do not assign, and I'm going to get rid of ABC there. And then go down here. Add opt-in lead page capture. Not yet. Yeah, not yet. Do not send an autoresponder campaign because I'm still making the edits. And this may take me a few hours, actually. Not this video, but when I go back and re-edit my edits, I'm going to give myself some time to play around with this lead capture page. So that's about it there. Now I'm going to go back to Save Changes to the web page, and that's going to take me on to the next step. Now, here we can change the background. Right now we have a beach scene for a background. Now I can use a sunrise. If I wanted to be real salesy about it, I could put $100 bills in there, or I could use $20 bills. Gold coins are kind of nice. Myself, I kind of like the beauty of nature. So hey, let's just change this right there. That's a nice scene. And of course, I can change that again. Now, this is the part that I really wanted to change. Free presentation, I like that. Seven-figure earner stumbles upon amazing. And I'm going to get money getting secret out of that. Amazing marketing secret. Next page reveals. That's really all I want to do right now. Now later on, do I need to end the quotes there? No, I really don't. It looks like it stands on its own. Free presentation, seven-figure earner stumbles upon amazing marketing secret, next page reveals. And that kind of works with what I have in mind right now. This is a minor edit. But of course, if you want to, you can go ahead and remove that entire line. Just click there and delete everything. And later on, if you want to go back and change this video, you can go ahead and change this video. Now, I'm not going to do that with this page, and that will be something I'll demonstrate in a future video. But for now, this is just a minor edit. And I'm pretty happy with that. So I'm going to save those changes and move on to the next step. Okay, now your new web page is online. Let's take a look at it and see what we have. Now I understand this is a test link, excuse me, because I have not assigned it a domain. And I'm not going to assign it a domain until I get it the way I want it. So this is just going to be a test link that we're going to see. And I'm going to click on that, and that will take us to our new page. And there we go. We changed the background. So yeah, instead of a beach scene, we have kind of a mountain and beach scene. I kind of like that a whole lot better, actually. And then we changed amazing money getting secret to just something a little less salesy, a little less enticement. Seven-figure earner stumbles upon amazing marketing secret, next page reveals. See, if you use words like money grabbing secret or money getting secret, you know, a lot of times these days that leaves a negative connotation in people's minds. People recognize that marketers are using Jedi mind tricks, and I don't like using that approach. So I just made a minor edit there to be talking about a marketing secret rather than a money grabbing or money getting secret. And yeah, I like that just the way it is. So we're going to save that. And, well, we've already saved it. And we're going to go ahead and probably I'm going to give it a little deeper thought and then just go ahead and use it. Now, well, let's just go back and do it. I've got another couple of minutes in this video, so let's go back, demonstrate how easy it is to re-edit that page again. And I don't want to change any of that. That's good. Let's go on to the next step. Wait a minute. Edit basics is where I want to go. This is where I need to make my change, because now I'm pretty sure I actually want to use that. So I'm going to go ahead now and apply that to this domain at www.ralph2018.com. And we're going to go ahead and assign it an autoresponder campaign. We're going to send this one. A welcome to PLS. This is a single message that I created myself, welcoming people to PLS, the Power Lead System, when they click on my link. And that's the only automatic mail that I have going out in my autoresponder. And the future emails in this email campaign will be sent out to people by me manually, because I like to be able to contact people on a daily basis and let them know that this is me. This is not a robot talking to you. This is me. I kind of like that personal touch. So that's why I'm setting that up right there like that. First message goes out automatically. The robot sends it, and the robot sends out a message that I created. But then after that, it's Ralph. Ralph talking to the prospects. And I think that's the way I like it. So I think that's going to be okay. Let's save changes. Make sure I did this right. Now that's fine. Let's go back and review. And let's visit the web page. And there we go. We've got it under the proper domain now. So that is an actual web page that is hopefully getting clicks right now as we're speaking. And yeah, my edit there is still there. I've got that video. Everything is the way I like it. So you see, in this video, what I did is that I went ahead and made a copy of a web page that I'm already using in one of my sales funnels. And then I edited that copy. And then I saw that edit. I decided, okay, that's good enough. I'm going to use it the way it is. And I went back to perform some more minor edits in order to assign it an autoresponder campaign and to go ahead and use it with my main domain with the Power Lead system. And we did all that in under 15 minutes. So you see how easy it is to make changes to these web pages using the Power Lead system. And what I like about this too is that, say you're selling something that's totally different from the Power Lead system. Let's say you want to be selling Herbalife or Wealthy Affiliate, something totally different from the Power Lead system. What you can do is you can make your edits. You can change this entire line right here. Take that out completely and change it to, check out Herbalife or check out Wealthy Affiliate. And then what you can do is you can actually swap out this video. Get rid of Jeff Mills talking with Neil Guess, and instead add in your own video talking about Wealthy Affiliate or Herbalife or whatever opportunity or product you are selling, and you can redesign, this sales funnel to be selling anything that you want. As long as it's legal, you can go in here, make the edits, make the changes, and go ahead and use it to sell anything under the sun. Fairly quick, fairly easy, and the Power Lead system has instructional videos that teaches you how to do this pretty much every step of the way. So if you'd like to check out the PowerLead system for yourself, you can use my link in the program description below. You get a 7-day free trial, and at the end of 7 days, if you like it, you can keep it and just pay your monthly membership fee. And if not, you don't have to. So until we meet again, this is Ralph signing out. Hope you found some value in this video, and we'll catch you again in the upcoming video. Bye-bye.